Jessica, welcome to my travel channel.
Today I'm excited to bring you along on a stunning beach walking tour of L'Alpes-Côte d'Azur in Nice, Alpes-Côte d'Azur. Get ready to immerse yourself in the crystal clear waters and sandy shores of this picturesque French Riviera beach. As always, if you're enjoying this video, please click that like button and let me know in the comments below where you're watching from. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures. L'Alpes-Côte d'Azur is a hidden gem tucked away in a small cove along the coastline of Nice.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon, link below.
You can also spot paddleboarders and kayakers enjoying the warm waters. There are several restaurants and cafes along the beachfront, so you can easily grab a bite to eat or a refreshing drink. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, take a walk up the steep steps that lead to the nearby town of Es. The town is perched on a hilltop and offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. As we reach the end of our beach walk, take one last look at the stunning scenery that surrounds L'Alpes-Côte d'Azur. This hidden paradise is a true gem of the French Riviera and is well worth a visit for anyone looking to escape the crowds and relax in a serene setting. Thank you for joining me on this beach walking tour of L'Alpes-Côte d'Azur in Nice, Alpes-Côte d'Azur. Remember to like this video and leave a comment below to let me know what you thought. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!